Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
A safety data sheet (SDS) gives information about hazardous chemicals, injuries in the workplace, medical examinations, machinery maintenance. The answer to the question is safety data sheet (SDS) gives information about hazardous chemicals. The SDS provides detailed information about the properties, hazards, safe handling, and emergency in measures related to hazardous chemicals in the workplace. It does not cover workplace injuries, medical examination, or machinery maintenance. Let me know if you would like this in a specific format. This is a correct answer of the question. If you know question, just leave your comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.